Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install the Telegram app. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, open your Google Play Store. And then from here, just search for Telegram. And then just tap on search. And then you can see right here the Telegram. Just tap on install to install the app. And you want to make sure that you have a sufficient or enough space enabled for you to download or install this app. Next, just tap on open. We can now start setting up our Telegram account. You just need to enter your mobile phone. After entering your mobile phone, just wait for the code to be sent to that number. And that's it! It's just simple and easy. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.